What's going on, guys? I wanted to share something new with you that I've been doing that I think everyone will find interesting. So I spent 4 hours 2 months ago making some videos for the Amazon influencer program, and I've made $2,000 from just those 4 hours of time that I spent making videos over the past 2 months. So the past 2 months have been over $1,000 each from the Amazon influencer program, and I've only spent 4 hours doing it. So I want to share what I did to get those results and how you guys could copy what I did to get results like that for yourself. I'm going to be going into this a lot more in the coming month and trying to see what I can do with it, but I'll share with you how I got to that point and how you guys can too. So step one is, what is the Amazon influencer program? So Amazon influencer program is a program created by Amazon for influencers to be able to post product review videos onto Amazon itself. These product reviews show up on the product page. If you click on any product in Amazon, scroll through all the photos, get to the very end, you're going to see a video. Normally the first video is from the manufacturer of the product if they have it. And then underneath that are going to be a bunch of customer review videos. The Amazon influencer videos show up first, and then if there actually are real customer reviews, they show up underneath that typically. They also show up at the bottom of a product review page. There's like a wheel, a carousel wheel of different videos you can click on and watch there. The idea is that if you make a video of a product, let's say I'm going to review these scissors right here. I make a video, I talk about these scissors, what I like, what I don't like. You watch that video because you're trying to find scissors on Amazon. If you watch more than 30 seconds of my video and then proceed to buy these without watching anything else, I get a commission from that sale. The commissions range from 1% up to 6% depending on the product category. It's kind of random. Different product categories have a lot higher commissions than others, but it's generally 1% up to about 6%. So what I did is I made product review videos that were roughly 2 minutes long. So I made about 50 videos, 2 minutes long each. So that's roughly 2 hours worth of time I spent actually filming videos. And then I added another 2 hours. I don't think it even took that long, but another 2 hours to upload the videos, put a little thumbnail, put a description, link the product that was being talked about in those videos. And then from that 4 hours of time, I did 2 hours the first month and roughly 2 hours the second month, 50 videos total that I posted. I made, like I said, $2,000 from the program. So if you guys want to get started, type in Amazon Influencer Program into your Google search bar, go to the page and then click apply. Now when you apply, the first thing they're going to ask you for is a social profile to verify you're actually an quote unquote influencer, or you have an influence of an audience of some way, shape, and form. So you can add a YouTube channel, you can add an Instagram account, a TikTok account, Twitter, anything like that you want to add, but they want to verify you have a following. So if you guys have a YouTube channel, I signed up with just my YouTube channel. Typically people are saying they're getting accepted with 1,000 to 3,000 or more subscribers. I have around 6,000 subscribers on this channel, so when I submitted that, I got approved almost instantly. And then I was able to join the influencer program. If you do not have a YouTube channel with 1,000 or more subscribers and you still want to join the program, I've seen a lot of people get accepted with 300 to 500 followers on Instagram. Or if you want to go for the least amount possible, I've seen the least amount on TikTok. People have been getting approved with TikTok accounts from 6 to 10 followers. They're getting approved by entering their TikTok account. So if you don't actually have a following, I recommend starting a TikTok account, uploading 3 random kind of product review style videos to TikTok. They don't have to be built for views, you're just putting some content on the page, and then have a few friends and family follow you, and you should be able to get approved with that. It might take a little bit of trial and error, but that should get you approved. If you are disapproved, you still can reapply with a different social channel, or if you've gotten more followers, you can apply with the same social channel. But it's best to try and go above and beyond and get approved the first time. That way you're not having to mess with any of these delays. So like I said, I use my YouTube channel. I applied, I got accepted almost instantly. Some people apply and it takes up to a week to get their account approved. It varies a little bit, but if you have a channel, I think they've got some auto approve features where if you have over a certain number of followers or subscribers, it just auto approves you for the program. So once you're approved for the program, you then have to be approved to monetize your videos. So you're gonna have to post 3 review videos onto your account, and then an actual Amazon associate is going to review those videos, look through them, and see if they approve you or not. They're going to make these approvals whether they look like they're good videos, they're review videos of a product, they're focused on a specific product, they're not salesy or sleazy, you're not using someone else's face or head for these videos. It's not like some AI video just generating things, and also that you're abiding by the policies. You're not reviewing a gun on your channel, you're not reviewing specific pricing of products. Amazon doesn't want you to mention specific pricing of products since they change all the time. So I can't say buy these, they're a great value at $2, because that price might change. Amazon's not gonna allow that video. So for these first 3 videos, I recommend you just find 3 products around your house that you have experience with, that you know well, and that are preferably higher priced. For my first 3 videos, I just grabbed 3 pieces of camera gear that I own, that I know well. I sat in front of my phone. I didn't even use my professional camera or anything like that. I just wanted to use my phone. I'll explain why in a minute. And I just talked for about 2 minutes on what I liked and didn't like about that product. People are not wanting some salesy commercial. They're not wanting some highly edited video. They want a real person's opinion on whether they should or shouldn't buy this product based on whether they liked it or not. They also don't want tons of specs and just all the individual things about the product they can just read in the description. They want an actual demonstration and just talking about the product itself. Something like, hey, I wanted to make a quick review on these scissors. I was looking for a pair of scissors on Amazon. Our last pair we had broke, and there's a million results on Amazon, but I stumbled across these. These seemed like they were a great value compared to all the other ones for the price. So I thought, why not try them and see how it goes? So I purchased these scissors. I was really impressed when I got them with how well they're built. A lot of scissors move back and forth when you shake them. These are super sturdy. They're also really sharp. Even though we've got tons of paper and cardboard with these things stay sharp. The one thing I don't like about these scissors though is that my fingers don't all fit in here. I put 3 fingers in, this last one's just kind of left hanging there. It's not a big deal, they're scissors. I'm not spending all my day cutting things, so it doesn't make a big deal for me, but that's one thing I don't like about these. But based on the price compared to all the other things on Amazon, I highly recommend you check out these if you're looking for a good pair of scissors. So something simple as that. That was probably 1 minute and 20 seconds, something like that. I talked about what I liked and what I didn't like about it. The kind of specs, the script that I've used for my videos that have seemed to work best is I start the video saying something like, hey, I want to do a quick review on this product. There's 2 things I love about this, but 1 thing I do not like about this product, which I'll tell you at the end. And so the first 2 things I do like about the product, and then you go into just talking about the product. They don't need to be, like I said, edited. You don't need to worry about doing cuts and edits. Just do it straight through, just talking as if you were talking to a friend. People want a real honest opinion of the product, and give them a real honest opinion of the product. If you hate the product, don't make a review video on it trying to get people to buy it if you actually hate it. So make a genuine review video. Do 3 of them. Stay away from prohibited items. Stay away from talking about specific prices. I've never been banned or gotten in trouble for saying they're a great value compared to other things, or they're a great price compared to other things on Amazon. But I did get a video disapproved one time because I said this is $200 and the competing product is $400, so it's a great value. I used exact numbers and I got disapproved. They told me to delete that video and remake it, not mentioning specific pricing. So once you submit these 3 videos, like I said, 2 to 4 minutes long, just talking to the camera from your phone. You can even upload them from your phone, so you don't have to transfer them to your computer. Just open up your Amazon influencer portal on your phone. You can upload them there. You're gonna have to do it's gonna automatically pick a thumbnail from the video. You can't change this thumbnail like from your actual video, but you can upload another thumbnail if you don't like it. I'll often just take a photo of the product, or me holding the product or something, reviewing it like I'm talking about the product, and use that. Some of the videos, some of the thumbnails they auto-generate do work, so I just use those. I haven't found, at least from my experience so far, that one thumbnail seems to somehow be performing better than another thumbnail. They're smaller. I don't think they're near as important as they are on YouTube for search, because people aren't actually searching for it. They're just looking at the first video that pops up for the product. So when you submit these 3 videos, it's going to take a little bit of time for you to get either approved or denied. It only took me about 3 days to get approval. I didn't have any, I got approved right away. I didn't have any disapprovals. I didn't have to go through the process again. Some people have to do that. It took me about 3 days. I know some people that have spent 5 weeks waiting for a response, and they get a response, they're disapproved. So they delete those videos, upload 3 different videos, then it takes another 5 weeks, and then they're finally approved. So it can be up to like a 10-week process trying to get through this, especially if you're disapproved the first time. They don't share the exact criteria they're looking for. They just say follow the guidelines that we lay out for what you should and shouldn't do in a video, and then submit your videos, and then it's pretty much up to the discretion of the person that's reviewing it. I think these actually are real people reviewing these videos, so you might get lucky and have a great person, you might get unlucky and have someone that doesn't like you. But if you stick to genuine review videos, don't try and sound salesy or sleazy, and actually hold a product that you own. Don't just talk about something and don't even show the product itself. I think you should get approved the very first time. Then you get a little banner that says, hey, you're approved. You can now start earning commissions on Amazon affiliate program, Amazon influencer program that is separate from the affiliate program. And then you can upload as many videos as you like. So then once you upload new videos, they're gonna also be reviewed. This typically only takes about 24 hours or less, and then they're published to the site. So I wanted to log on like 2 days later to see if those videos had been approved, the 20 that I posted. And to my surprise, I've made about $178 in commissions from just those 2 days. Now, I did get lucky because I reviewed, like I said, some higher priced products, and one specific product someone purchased a quantity of 3 of, and so it's rare for someone to purchase that much of a high priced product, and so I did get lucky with those reviews, but it did give me the motivation to keep going and say, hey, this might actually work. Now, why I recommend doing higher priced products from the beginning is because they just make more money. When you're dealing with really low commissions, like 1%, 2%, if you're reviewing a pair of scissors, it's probably not gonna be very encouraging when you look at your account 4 days later and see you've made 2 cents of commission. It's a lot more encouraging to see you've made $60 or $100 or $178 like I did in the first 2 days. So I let this ride out. I was doing some other things, and then about 2 to 3 weeks after I posted those initial videos, I posted about 25 or 30 more. It got me up to 50 videos total, and then I just waited it out. We've been, like I said, in my past video, if you've watched it, starting an Airbnb, and so I spent the whole last month building furniture, putting all that together. So I didn't have time to devote to making these videos, so I just let it ride out and see what happened, to see if once this was up and running, our Airbnb, if I should devote my time to making some more of these review videos. So 2 months had passed, and the first month was about $800, I think, total in Amazon payouts. Not payouts, I'll get to that in a second, Amazon commissions, and the second month was around $1,200 in commissions, and then it's June right now, we're like 5 days into June, and it's already about $250 from the month of June that I've made so far. And that's off of 50 videos, 2 hours of actual filming in front of the camera, 2 hours of publishing, uploading, stuff like that. And it's been $2,000 in commissions from that. Amazon's influencer program pays out every 60 days after the end of the month. So my commissions from May won't be paid out until August 1st. And so it's gonna take 60 days from the end of the month to actually receive a payout. So my payout at the end of this month will be for April, and then the end of next month will be for May. So I haven't actually seen a payout from this. I have $2,000 pending, over $2,000 pending in the account for payout at the next payout schedule. And so if you guys are looking for a inexpensive way to try and get started making some money, you just want to throw up some videos like I did and see what happens, there's no harm to do that at all. All of us have literally thousands of products within our home we can review. You don't have to purchase the product on Amazon, it just has to be sold on Amazon. So every book on that bookshelf behind me, I guarantee you it has a page on Amazon. Everything in my room, pretty much, everything from my desk to my keyboard to my mouse to my speakers, my clock, my monitor, all of that stuff is for sale on Amazon. My fold-away bed, my mattress, everything, all my kids' toys are on there, all the camera equipment I have. Even door locks and windows and everything else like that are sold on Amazon. So you can make reviews about nearly anything. And the cool thing is Amazon has hundreds of millions of products, and very few people are doing the influencer program right now. It will get flooded as time goes on. More and more people are joining every single day, and more people are posting videos. But with that many videos, there's still tons and tons of products that have 0 reviews whatsoever. And so you can make a review on a product and it can go up there, and you won't be competing with anyone else because no one's made a review on that product. I'd say of all the products I look at on Amazon, maybe 10%, 5% have any videos listed. And some of those videos aren't even for that specific product, they're just related to that brand. And Amazon prefers products that are very specific, and so they'll post you there. But the cool thing is that if no products exist for that whole entire category, you can get posted on a bunch of different products you didn't even review. I reviewed something from our bedding. It was something that was sold a lot, but didn't have any product review videos made for it, so I made a video on it. And I'm getting commissions all the time from a bunch of different products from that brand because no one had posted a review video for that brand. So all these other products that I don't even own, that I didn't even review, I'm getting commissions for because it's a video popping up on there. People are watching it. I don't know if they're curious about the brand or just something else about the brand. They're watching it, more than 30 seconds of it, and then I'm making a commission on that. So find products, find things that are easy to talk about that you know well to start with, preferably higher priced. Make 2-minute videos, upload those once you get approved, and then watch those commissions start coming through. It's a little addicting to pull it up, just like when I sold books on Amazon, the Amazon sales data you look at each day to see what you had made. The sales on Amazon influencer program are a little different. It shows up every 24 hours. It updates, so you don't get updates throughout the day. You just log on in the morning when you wake up and you see what you'd made from the previous day. And so it's a fun way to start the day. You can see how much money you've made and encourages you to go and make some more videos. So I'm gonna be devoting the whole next month to making a ton of these videos. I really think if I spend most of my days for this next month making these review videos and just products I have around my house, that I could publish 500 or more videos in a single month. And if I've gotten these results from 50 videos, it'll be a lot better from 500 videos and then go on from there. So I think with what I've made so far, with the time I've spent, it's worth investing a lot more time. It's probably worth it for you. You can try this and see if you get similar results. So drop in the comments below if you've started this and what you made your first month. I'm curious how my results compare to the average person's results that are starting this, if they're below average, above average, etc. But good luck. Let me know how it goes.